Chapter 6 Birds' Homes. A bird's nest is a place where it lays its eggs. A bird's choice of nest depends on its species, surroundings, and other elements such as weather, predators, and food supply. Here are some fascinating details regarding birds' nests. Birds construct their nest from a range of materials such as twigs, grasses, leaves, mud, feathers, and even spider webs. Swallows construct their nest using mud, while woodpeckers excavate holes in trees for their homes. Some birds, like the bald eagle, make a new nest every year, while others utilize the same one year after year and add new materials to it each season. In addition to trees, shrubs, cliffs, the ground, and even man-made structures like buildings and bird houses, birds can build their nest in a wide range of different places.
Some birds, like the bald eagle, make a new nest every year while others utilize the same one year after year and add new materials to it each season.